To add an Amazon affiliate link to your Shopify store, follow these steps. Sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. First, you need to join the Amazon Associates program. Go to the Amazon Associates website and sign up for an account. Get your affiliate link. Once you're accepted, go to the Amazon Associates dashboard. Search for the product you want to promote and click on the product link to generate your unique affiliate link. You can also use SiteStrap to grab the link directly from the Amazon product page. Log into Shopify. Go to your Shopify store's admin panel and log in. Add the link to your Shopify store. Go to the product section in your Shopify admin. You can add your Amazon affiliate link to individual product pages, the homepage or blog posts. For product pages, add the Amazon affiliate link in the product description or use the custom HTML section to create a button with the link. To create a clickable button, go to the online store, Themes, Customize, and use the HTML block to insert the affiliate link in a button. Promote the link. Add the affiliate link wherever relevant in your store. You can also use it in ads to direct visitors to Amazon.